Hello, this is one of my most favorite appliances. It's my rice maker. And I got the small one. I think it's 3 cup max with dry rice. Pop it open. This is actually 3/4 of a cup of rice, but this is what it comes with. This is considered a serving. So, that's what I make for myself. And I usually have some left over that I give to the girls. And then I'm going to put a little bit of salt in. I'm making Japanese, like sushi rice, sticky rice. And then I stay on this side because I like it. Girls, can you not? I make it more al dente. This one, I think, makes it softer. I like it more toothsome. So I add the water. So I made 1 of the cups of the rice, actually 3/4 of the cup. I'm going to put it up just under. I'm not even going to make it to the line on the sushi rice. So it's about about a cup. It's like just shy of a cup. And then that's it. And I lock it down. I turn it on. It sings to me. And then usually I'll do this before I go to class so that when I come home, my rice is hot and ready for me. And I just whip something up fast, like a stir fry vegetables or something that I've had, like beans that I've already prepared. That one's Goldie this time. So say hi to Goldie, and then that's the rice cooker. Peace out.